up, guys? Something just ain't right. Hold on 1 second.
What's up, man? What's up, man?
Yeah, so it's a lot better, y'all. As y'all see, don't look at that up there. I gotta still fix that. What you talking about, man? What's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, yeah, we working on this baby again, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we finna get this thing right, and y'all gonna be so happy. Y'all gonna be so happy tonight.
One in here. Today, and what's two?
Are you gonna take over the video? Huh? Are you gonna be quiet so Daddy can do the video? At least do the intro? Huh?
I don't know, Dad. How
I don't know what you just said. But this boy here, man. Golly, what you got going on, my boy? Whoo, you know you my son, you doing stuff like that. But yeah, guys. Hey, today is another video, another day, another blessing, y'all. Thank y'all for watching the video. Today we're gonna do something about these ugly things right here. This right here, yes sir. Got a box right here. This box right here is gonna be a big disappointment. I already opened it, so yeah. But back here, we got something nice. Oh, door locked. All right, let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna sit this down and I'm gonna get everything situated so I can show y'all what we got. All right. Look at here. Don't hate on me, man. My garage is a work in progress. So we gotta do what we gotta do, y'all. Finna unbox it on here. I don't have a workbench yet, so just shh. Hey, but you can laugh at this though. Look how bootleg this is, y'all. Ooh, that little shank, boy. Get back. Shee. Yes, sir. Hey, can y'all guess? Go down in the comment section. Hold on. Y'all go down in the comment section and guess what's in this box. Man, I already told y'all what we doing. Why am I? Wow. That just show how long I've been doing YouTube for no time. But here we go, y'all. We have the OEM, if I can get this out of here, replacement headlights for an SER. An R. Y'all see the difference? Ooh, that's gonna be a big difference there, y'all. That's gonna look so much more aggressive with that black in there. Y'all, just stick with me, man. Y'all just see the vision, man. See the vision. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna do no full-fledged SER replica. No, I'm not false flagging like that. Not at all. No. Now I'm gonna show y'all this piece of junk here. Oh man, this would really hurt my feelings here. Y'all probably know what this is too. Yeah. I went on and got the SER grill. I know. Y'all telling me, you know, Tony, I thought you weren't doing a replica. But look at this, y'all. This thing came broken on both sides. Jesus. Lord have mercy. But what y'all think? It's gonna look better than this. Only thing I was gonna do was I was gonna pop this out, paint this black or like a gunmetal color. I'll pull this out and then, you know, just put the grill up there, the SER grill. I haven't even really pulled it out because I was so upset. Yeah, that's gonna look a lot better. Yeah, but look at that paint. I got something for that too, y'all. Also, I didn't want to do all this stuff like the headlights and the grill first. That's just how stuff is coming. As y'all know, the world was just put upside down. So stuff that I was trying to get is on back order and it's probably not coming till mid-month. So that's what was taking me so long to upload another video. Y'all be patient with me, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get stuff right. You know, I had even thought about doing vlogmas, but nah, I ain't got enough time to be doing that. But what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go ahead and knock out these headlights. Yeah, and I think that's pretty much it. Also, another thing I did, I changed out that little stubby. You know, if y'all know, these Sentras, they came with a big old long boy. I made it to an itty bitty boy. You know what I'm saying? Just itty bitty. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this garage and, you know, finish up what I need to do. And then we're gonna knock out these headlights. We're gonna see a before and after. So let's get going. Well, low key, that was a little too easy. A little too scary. So, you know, every time stuff go that easy, it's a lot of stuff that go wrong. But, dang, am I too close? Oh no, my bad. Yeah, we're good. All it was two 10 millimeter bolts up top. And you just pull it out. You got a little tab that go in here. And you all done. Now I'm gonna see if there's anything that I need to transfer over here. But I think that one came with new bulbs, so and those new bulbs aren't gonna last because I got something for that too. Y'all stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, this ain't just gonna be a regular build, y'all. We finna make this thing cool. Psych! We're probably not gonna make it fast, but we're probably gonna make it look cool, y'all. I promise y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, now don't look half bad. What a little headlight to do to a car. Ooh. Especially, man, when we upgrade these. Man, this thing gonna be lit. Bro, look at that. From ashy to classy. From ashy to classy. Ooh. Hey, literally, ashy to classy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out this other side. Then, I don't know. Video might be over. I don't know. I might try to do something else. I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Okay. I think I'm feeling this. Gotta make sure I aim them. But man, It's already looking so much better, man. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got a little stubby. Now, I believe we need to try to tackle this.
Psych!
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool!